Rican Festival and Parade, and I'm with Samantha, the president, and Evelyn, the logistics queen. What do we got going on?
Oh my gosh, we have a lot of things going on. We have entertainers right behind us. They're on stage. We have Gary Yeoman's Ford out here. We're so excited.
Our headliner is the amazing Tito Puente Jr.
¡Que viva Puerto Rico! So we are here partying, dancing. If you're not here, you're definitely missing it. A big thank you to Gary Yeoman's Ford of Palm Bay for being our main sponsor today.
We thank Gary Yeoman's Ford Palm Bay so much for your sponsorship and for supporting our event and our community.
Absolutely, and you know what? That's what we do. Gary cares. We care about our community, and we're so excited to be a part of this. So we appreciate you and our followers. So we'll see you next time.
Bye!